Hey guys, Mike here. Welcome back. Oh. But I just wanted to make this video to say goodbye to all the people I've met and the relationships, and not just close my channel abruptly. So that's about it. Don't know what else I can say. I just want to say that I did give it a lot of thought, and this is the decision I made. Alright? So guys, I want to thank you for the good times, and I wish the best of luck to those haters in the group. Hopefully your life will become more meaningful to you than just hanging around causing trouble on YouTube. Alright guys, so I'll see you. No, I guess I won't be seeing you. So take care, and this is Mike, and take care of yourselves, guys.